Some students go to school every day, but they don't learn. They sit in class pretending they're listening, pero ang isip nila nasa ibang lugar. They don't realize how hard life can be without education. Hindi nila iniisip ang kalagayan ng mahirap na buhay at kung paano ang edukasyon, ang pagsisikap sa pag-aaral ay isang paraan upang makatulong sa kanila. Some act as if going to school is just a show. Pumapasok nga pero hindi naman nakikinig. Walang pakialam sa tinuturo ng guro, as if knowledge is something they don't even need. And there are students who waste their time on vices, on games, on showing off, nagbubulakbol, naglalaro sa cellphone, nagpapakyut lang, habang iba naman nangangarap ng pagkakataon pumasok sa eskwela. Do you even realize that, students? Maraming batang gustong mag-aral, pero walang sapat na pera, walang kakayahan ng mga magulang nila para pag-aralin sila. They dream of a classroom you take for granted every single day. Some wish they had books, while you throw yours aside. Some wish they had teachers, while you ignore yours. Isipin mo naman hindi lahat kasing swerte mo. Naisip mo ba o saka mo lang ito maiisip kapag huli ng lahat? Education is not just a privilege, it's a gift. And every time you waste it, parang mo na rin sinasayang ang sakripisyo ng magulang mo sa'yo. Remember, the world outside is harsh. Without knowledge, without effort, life will crush you. Kaya habang may pagkakataon ka pa, mag-aral ka ng mabuti. So, to the students who don't take school seriously, wake up. Your future depends on what you choose today. Huwag mong hintayin na walang pagkakataon bago mo ma-realize ang halaga ng edukasyon.